We are what we eat, for sure. And bringing food into our mouth, although primarily it's there to feed the body and feed the brain and helps us to just stay healthy and living, there are other reasons why we eat, which is what I want to chat to you about today, because I do think our sensory needs, our core fundamental sensory needs, also have a contribution to whether you're a boredom eater or a comfort eater. I want to use those two extremes. I think it just explains it much better. So if you're a boredom eater, it means you're most probably driven by a need for your body to be stimulated, to be doing something interesting, to bring something for you to do and actively being engaged in. And what often then happens, if you are bored and there's not really much to do or you don't have activities to do, you would actually go and eat to fill that need for your body to be stimulated, okay? Versus the other end, you could be a comfort eater. You're feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling agitated, you're feeling overloaded, you might be feeling anxious, and food then becomes the way where you calm and kind of feed your body and your brain. So with these two extremes, whether you're a comfort eater or a boredom eater, we are using food as self-regulation, which is so bad. I want to say that again. We should not be using food as a self-regulation. Food is there to fill and feed the body, but food should not be used to calm, organize, and self-regulate your brain. So being very mindful about that, I think, is really, really important. So if you are bored, before you open that fridge, before you open that packet of crisps or have that slice of cake or whatever it is that you are eating, think, is there not something that I can actively do to keep myself occupied, to keep myself busy, so that I don't use food because I'm bored? Very, very important. So understand the need that you need to stimulate yourself. And stimulate, it could be like making a phone call, making a cup of tea, writing something down, reading a book, go for a walk. These are the kind of busy stuff that I'm talking about. On the other end, if you're a comfort eater and you feel overwhelmed or you feel stressed or you feel overloaded, then think about what is happening to your body and your brain. Take a few deep breaths, close your eyes, move away from what you are busy with, have a cup of tea, go for a short walk, maybe isolate yourself, maybe phone someone that's very close to you that you know is a calming influence for you. Understand where does the need come from. So before you grab that piece of food or piece of snack or open that fridge in order to feed your body with food, really think, what is it that you are needing? And I think that's the really important question to have here. So your sensory needs, your sensory thresholds, whether you're a seeker and go for boredom eating, or whether you're an avoider and more sensitive and go for comfort eating, definitely can explain these behaviors that we do have. So keep that fridge closed, go for healthy eating, make sure you make better choices, and be aware of your own needs. That's all for today, guys. Take care and stay safe. Cheers.